It's a necklace mount. What's great about that, you see that, you unclip it, put it around your neck, clip it in. You know, you can put your GoPro on it. I like that you can take this part out like that, so you can, if you want to like preview footage or, you know, set it up somehow, you could take that off easily, pop the GoPro on there just like your normal GoPro fingers, and then it'll magnetically kind of, you'll feel it kind of clip into place. And it's a really comfortable kind of Gumby kind of silicone feel, but it stays, like when the GoPro's on there, it stays on, it doesn't bounce too much if you're running a little bit, especially if you have hyper smooth up and or the max lens mod, it won't matter about that. But it's a great way to get POV shots really quickly, meaning showing your hands, keeping it hands free. It's easy to pop off, and yeah, you can see how it's very kind of contortish and clips in. A lot of people can also use this. A lot of people, if you have it, people can use it as like a little selfie stick, so you can hold it out and use it for vlogging, and you can also use it and set it down as a little tripod if you needed to. So a lot of cool things that you can do with this necklace. I rate this really high up on a must-have accessory for the GoPro.